Hello everyone. Thank you for joining this live stream. My name is Chang Kwasniak. Today we are talking about justice, truth, and the suffering of the people of South Sudan, especially the Nuer people. This discussion is not about hate. It is not about violence. It is about the truth, justice, and accountability. Well, our topic today is human being may plan evil, but God always has the final word. Standing with justice and the right of the people, it is must. People might thought that God has abandoned all of us, but no. So it is up to us what we can do as the people of the Nur community. Please listen to this message. Listen with an open heart. Let me take us back, remembering 2013. In 2013, many innocent Nuer civilians were killed. Men, women, and children lost their life. This was a painful time. Families were destroyed. Communities were broken. Remembering 2013 is important. We remember not to create hate, but to honor the victim and tell the truth. When crimes are forgotten, they happen again. Silence does not bring peace. Truth brings peace. Many people are still suffering today. Even in 2026, civilians continue to face violence. People are asking, why does this continue? Why are civilians still suffering? Why is justice delayed? When leaders are not held accountable, crime repeats themselves. The pain of the Nuer people is real. The pain of all civilians in South Sudan is real. And God sees this pain. Justice is not revenge. Justice is not killing. Justice is not hate. When we talk about justice, justice means telling the truth, protecting civilians, holding leaders responsible, and respecting human rights. Revenge destroys the future, and justice builds the future. Without justice, peace cannot last. So the big question should be why accountability matters. Accountability means no one is above the law when we look at it. No leader, no soldier, and not powerful people. When leaders commit crime, they must answer for them. If crimes are ignored, violence continues. Trust is lost, and the nation suffers. Accountability is necessary for healing. And the world must not be silent. International organizations must listen. They must investigate crimes. They must protect civilians, and they must support justice process. South Sudanese life matter. African life matter, and human life matter. Justice is a global responsibility. So, to my fellow Nuer brothers and sisters, to the Nuer people watching, your pain is seen, your suffering is real, and your voice matters. Do not lose hope and do not lose dignity. Stand for your right peacefully, speak the truth, protect life. And I can say that Bom Cornell is with those who seek justice, not bloodshed. Yel kon kel, that kon wane kel, Cornell na bother. And message to others, South Sudanese. This message is not only for one community. It is for all South Sudanese. We all deserve peace, safety, justice, a future for our children. Ethnic hatred will destroy us. And unity and justice will serve us. We quantity kone kolanure. Right kon ke kwi shangaran shang kone jagaja. Mo kon tae dani shana shu keja rewich ka South Sudan. Ke 2013. Tumana wala ngot kon reshu shanamo. Ngot kon reshu shanamo. The mugor kono bana tinjek di ala kon tuwa kon bana ka kapchong. Mugor kono bana do jok. Ke jok. 2013. The innocent nor civilian yakanak. Wuni. Man. God. A yiken chagabat. In 2013, Ron Bebeka Kon. Chadur, the one can chagadak. Chanur communities. Gonna can the Alchakari Okador. The Natching the good goal. Mutual con 2013 and Michi talk over Cory Mine and Lamadan, Kenogdan Karodan, a very important. Again, Dobdan Bante Jake the Alacon to Banaka Wikaya. Icon 2013, remember Lamelet con shoot Kaja. O Banero Dari Mine and Wonena Rona me. Mekan as can con mat. Can jeg dia le kon Charlotte. Can Korean con mat keja. But I rudian mat guaskel. Can then I no tearing me talk. And do badan and banakulu win keja. Kon at kon lanware. So Michana char gatadan and I don't want to can chag a bus. So Michukon char and Janariar, Niki 2013, a Beneka Jan Quas Mentama. Then there a con mojba. Duomo de con matkajak, Katadan de con jeg the alley dinner, de con a capchonga. Misha Dwer, Jang Mishala, the Guana Misha Parwich. Lada nyok of me, Pugoro the nyok. Jala Nakula Remanian, which Neme, Mission Neme, Acha nyok lene. In Dobadan Nam Yam Kaja. So be an agent and a bit telemalmanong. Balat suka, Janong Malo, Mila de talk. Balingana. Namoba mal, Vejanung, Reduarmon. And wale, mood conga church, Kajaron Kindang Road and downward Bakileme. Chana Shush, Ron Kindang Road and down road the DH. And Mandan Shush one Kaja. ta dan gwanter ya goro dong de kordan realika den chong alador jen mo koko kon question wonena ngot kon ko mishush kon kaja ko kon dor medit to kon ga tubele to wan to kon ko gwar ne ti to ko gwar kan dia e kon ti jeno mishush ne kon kaja civilian kon gat kaman e wune tele talk malat kamo ida me dana ci to ko 2013 tele talk ma chalat ko pidamo tele kwar mi cha yeno shit kesel pe kema yadit makan kwar kana kontish kamen jaga jirana chalat la ko continue am jaga danen man chalat ci janga jeno mi jek so makana kon jon mi chalat mi jek ram mo la ngure we ko woni am ko ti jek ko na lata so ko shi dwere she bunyo ko mi lede rode jela goro mo ba ramadan dwere she dwir abadil tikeja ka belat be explain mi cha peleka na yo ba peleka mi cha palje tinin no jen ne nyene to ko no mi shush kon content kan ite mo to gorke jen point to point kir mi yadit they should mo to content en shoje shush kan were me a talk no shush kon ei wika so sudan chi no shush karo dia no ngai kona no chokola balkan were cause were kan ite content qual target de jogo no nene shoy dan ngai koda la kunya alla talk yo brahma mo bi shol man jaga dan chalat talk ina du karama mo ka man jaga dan chalat la du ka talk ba shi nyiro karama mo ne alla man chale la suka o bu talk bi lar man chit talk bi de la ne ja point tel tane lo shi bita la tuka wo ba ne ti ala kona civilian ke ji wuch ba ka gang ka man jaga dan be kaka la suka wo ba ram shi mi jeglat ka kan kwar ba dil jono jinna me mi jeg mu dana chilat la suka ba kel katin chala da no ba shonran ba jedil gang ka ba jedil taran chaje be kep ko bom taran cha joro chaje be bat no shoot yere tega dana tinyam mi ci dor cholo wala heru la tigla yo yere ci mi chalele kirmi yadide kuje mone la tuka jaga future ne dial ko bagwa man mi chala ka la future la ja yere ci mi lani kon 2013 cha konak o der mo ke liu kan to kana lat kon maluk man chana kan en pain kaka entam to kore kur ko tel justice mi share leka win mon mani native content re kuma ka kirmi hadit to mi tel laptuka tel mi shale mal che dembe de ko kul teje no nen angu bum ka je longa no de ran e mi jaga dana chalat de jogono jin ci mi jeg me chelat ala eno baran ba jogono mi jega dana chalat man lu de je jelong o ngai kon dia la taram mo mitti wi ngone taram le larno ta above the law teleja she kwar ideyni yene kon bom tinta yo dera power dera ja abuse idena dera ke changanjak ran te under the law mi ci kwar je mi jek chalat den baka tikeje bikan man lot kan bikan lat dob dan naka naka ja ke dob dan leran mi jek ja mi shaka ignore chit ko gejen wotal mi jemu chalat den kwara mo ko ra woni kan ka woni bangab be chutel ka budurba be choj be shuban ka ci dor ka la chuja la do yal kan shuj o kana accountability ke baram je man chim jek chelat ba je del teke ja watel mo lagwa an gwada de konten kon nore ay de rama mo nore ye jor chim jek chelat gor je no ba je del tech anywhere you go accountability matter they're necessary ko jen la na kulu wiya jaka maron bo body alte kon te che chakara mo buga nyoko mulu ka goka dino mo kana te ke min jaga dana chalat boda wona kan kami tiap kan yo ka kuje mo de kon jogo no nena accountability matter ko kon ramin ci mi jela ba jogo no jin ci mi jek chalat tan mo right back lat dana de ne de kon te la international community te kan lat la win mon and dien it can be bit cause again and talk on tamaka bit ke chang chui na chikarot chicken bedil bit go can Canadian country lokana it ke international organization at a country la ne internet tiaka ten lokana ni humanitarian so these are the people ko nan kamana talk on when unless michana ito chak replace Canadian ko la jiwich so jiwich kan talk kan alat ko some of them they are supporting regime in Jeremo so chicken token ala de chang la de no te michi tuok unless chala kule dang na facility dia na dan la kan turnya turten yana ba ko ngaje gwan wo chire ke to shi me dan jito ko pan ga me cha am se me cha je bok ba ngaje kan no chire ke to la to chicken majane so cha de mala ngat ke ne tin content tong la kan gwenye no kwa exaggerating work unless ke turten ke video ni chicken kanen so de kon ga teje no nena ji international community wa duere kon lat ke leader ko ak investigate gore ke let ken kedi ike je en go gang ni kon te la civiliane loko ko ke lat suka de no bi benia so Sudanese egden take a lot take nuer take a lot in general we can say Africa life matter and human life matter tigran gwan wode de gam ite kwe kel gwa karwade so message dit mende we kan wore la choji chuishi ko kona chane na win kel you know bitken so dane me a real ajo dan ba ji kona toptel gwa ba je linka je yang de win ba dara bit wala yena ro chiena bit silent point jen men jeng jen katidia e kon kul jogo no nena twara ngat twaye pel twa shandu no gwa twaje pel donga ka kwi shunga dun ko be malba ben kayya ka be ben kanede ko ken la da tok ka ganga tik dun kon alar no bom ko nyal wate kel kaniten kon tin gor ke jeno ba mo gwa bajalat bom ko nyala tegni tin content cha goro no bari mbaje wotpin bom ko nyala tegni tin content tiar kan shontin ke ganga shontin so ko kuje mone de jogo no ko nyala te kel ka kon goro jeno bana shar kon di albana lat keja let kon di albe kula go amishana tin kon lat ko rodian je ta shush kon ge tamare ko di alati mishana kabi nang nyam ko nyal kel kale la talk jen la bata jamo ni go gwaje dan ya kon ne ke 2013 ci konte ga temo let konke ki tana ke different charte goal ka charte goal to yer kan doran ci kan janga doran ka gwa kon wore ko da wa mi ya parwe mala ja woje reidun la 70 ba la ja woje reidun man la tu ko bobe je wo reidun kwar kun be jaka ngeng kwar kun be jaka jiduire tin haka na ko ngoro ba biya ko gornin tin yana mo karwade jendana yer kon mwana shara gwa en wo na cha ko cha japel de ga nyolu njok gor ko wo brand be ngaji no men le de der jin mi kwaji ela accountable ke dur dana chilat kim jeg dan lede ka bi ngaje no mi jek wa kun yala lo la teza ba kala duwe yala ko ni chilat bo gun gole la ka pele ru ba mu ngod la weekend ku commit yano charge palika ka ngod weekend lete kan duwe rato no wa ku contribute long ka men jega dana to grey do mo kelu chirmenen kon wa chu kon mi chu kon ngaje chu kon ko kon chu kon to kon agoro bana je lat karamandanen lunija ene wo kon gwandire mandan en ci dur ci lat bana jugono dur dan e dur mandana ci lat la bot kon ke ke kon yal nena rami mom mi ci tok ci lat e mu gwa ci lat jen be do yendi alkel mu do ga kon di alkel kano kon de mu gwa dara tok de kon nyoko mi char kon en wo chana ci ke chana ba kujemo do bana bana ci bana je kap chonga je bana dan remind ke 2013 me cha ko yor ko wor mentama e ko ro to gantama biga lene to bom we te ci ko ran ko mat ko ro dan man de gwa de pel de la til ken nyer ene tere kam dan kon wor bo wa pelika de la mandi ni jan ko der dial ko net kon ken de ko kulo go ndama duni chan ko snek ana ban nyojik ka streaming dadien ya temal